Welcome to ALPMEC, Agile Leaderships and Product Management Excellence Certifications. So are you looking to elevate your career in product management? At ALPMEC, we have created this comprehensive 3-month Agile Product Management Excellence course that stands out from rest of any other 2 days or 3 days training. So this is a training which is totally virtual, online. There are 16 modules for the whole course, and each modules may take 5 hours to 20 hours. So overall, it's 100 hours of course. Now this course is not only just theoretical. Every elements of this course, we will be going through exercises so that you can build it what exactly is needed. If we are talking about design sprint, we will be building some product designs during this course. So you will be getting a hands-on experience through every elements, every modules, and it will be go for 100 hours for just learning. This is designed in such a way that we cannot do 8 hours every day. We understand that, and that's why we have divided into kind of 3 to 4 hours every day, Monday to Thursday. Totally it goes up to 100 hours just for the learning, and then at the end we will have a capstone project as well. So I'll quickly walk you through about what are the 15 modules that we are covering here. And if you want to look more about it, you can learn more from the website itself. I will walk you through about those as well. So I'll just open up our product management course, and over here what you will be able to see, all the details are mentioned. So I'll be just talking about those 15 modules right now. So if I look into, okay, it's still not opened. I think it's opening. Yeah, now it's open. And over here, I will be walk you through for all those 15 modules that we have. So the module 1, where we will be talking about introductions to Agile product management, which is typically take 4 hours. Then we'll go for Agile principles, 2 hours. I understand that Agile is not something very new to you, and most of you are already working on this Agile way of working. So in this particular course, we will not be teaching you what is Agile, what is Scrum. If you are watching this video, I believe that you understand that agility very well, but we will just touch base very beginning about those Agile principles, because we want to connect those principles with the product management way. And then we will be talking about product discovery, which is taking kind of 20 hours, and itself it has lots of different subtopics. The product discovery, where you will learn how to articulate the what, why and how of product discovery, customer centricity or minimal viable product, personas, user stories, journey mapping, defining product visions, and all those. These are not only just what it is. You will be doing this exercise right during the training. We will show you an example, then you will be having the exercise. We will correct it, what is wrong, how you can do it better for every learning that we are doing for. Then the module 4 will go for design sprint. Design sprint, where you will be going for understanding what exactly a design sprint. How can we build a prototype of one product in just 5 days? What are the each day that we are doing, that we will be learning in this design sprint. Then we'll be going for product road mapping, which is for 5 hours. You will master the product road mapping, release planning, and aligning roadmaps with the business goal through objectives and the key results, OKRs. I think that is very common terms nowadays. We'll also talk about one area, that how you can build agile teams. So agile teams, I'm not talking about how you can build a scrum teams, how those agile teams are connect to deliver the product that you are creating, how you will be aligning them with the product visions. That is where we will be aligning the agile teams. We'll explore what is this cross-functional teams are, what are the team dynamics, the role of different roles like product owners, scrum masters, how they will be aligning with your product development. Then we will be talking about 10 hours on agile product development. We'll go deep dive into some backlog management or iterations level planning, how we can do continuous integrations to your product, how the testers will be involved to make the more quality or the better quality for your product. On module 8, we will be talking about growth and product marketing or user acquisitions. Learn how to drive growth with product-led growth. We'll talk about something called AARRR, a framework We'll talk about the fog model, BJ fog model, pricing strategies or GTM strategies. Those are all will be covered under module 8. Then module 9, which is 4 hours, where we'll talk about few product metrics and monitoring, where we will understand KPIs and data-driven decisions making, customer feedback, and advanced analysis techniques like A/B testing. Module 10 will talk about agile product ownerships. So this is more into a team level product owners activity, where the product owner responsibility, their stakeholders, management, prioritize backlog items, how that can be comes in picture. Then in module 11, we'll be talking about agile product management tools, gets hands-on Jira, Trello or Miro boards. Sometimes we will be going for some advanced road mapping. You will also get a touch of Figma if you are doing a product design, how you can work something on Figma. Then we will be going for agile product management challenges. We'll talk about what are the different challenges, identify those common challenges and learn the strategies to overcome those obstacles. Module 13, we'll talk about agile product management in real world. So we will engage with guest speaker. There will be industry leads, experts who are already working on this industry. They will come up and they will be talking about what is happening on the industry. They may be come from healthcare, they may be coming from finance, and there will be multiple guest speaker. We will be inviting in different phases of this, and you will get a connect with the actual industry. It's not just what we are talking about. You will get connect with the industry experts, and you have an opportunity to ask them questions and connect with the real industry. And then at module 14, we will, if you are looking for a new job, if you are an aspiring product manager and you want to switch your job, we will prepare you for the job market. And then at module 15, we will conclude our learning over here. After that, we will be going for a Capstone project. So Capstone project, which may take 30 to 40 hours of work, right? So the Capstone project is a significant feature. If you scroll over here, we also have this Capstone project from theory to practice. It's covered in 3 parts: kickoff, development, and presentations and evaluation. So as you can see, it will be taking somewhere 40 hours of work. This is a significant feature that sets this ALPMEC. After completing all those 15 modules, you will work in a teams on a real world project guided by those industry experts. You will spend 30 to 40 hours applying your skills to solve product challenge and giving your practical experience and portfolio, whatever you want to build. Now, what are those guest lecturers? We talked about that in between there are some guest lecturers coming up. That what is the benefit from the guest lecturers? They are coming from the exclusive industries or maybe very common industries. They may be coming from retail domain or healthcare domain or finance domain. They are the leaders on those product management areas for those industries. They will bring invaluable insights from their experience at top companies, ensuring you are learning the latest trend and the best practices. Now I understand this is kind of 100 hours, then 40 hours. You may not be able to attend all days. And to take care of that areas, we will be giving you recording access for at least 30 days for each class. If you have missed it, you can recover from it. Or sometimes if you want to go again and again, you can watch the recording after the class as well. Now, you may be thinking how this course is different than other product management course. So I'm not talking about all these courses, but most commonly the product management course that you might have aware of are 2 days or 3 days training, which give you a very surface area of understanding product management or product ownership. But if you think about the whole product management area, it's an iceberg. Those 2 days are what you see on top of or above the water level, but what is inside the water, that is what we will be going for. That's why we are taking your 100 hours. You may be from different time zone. Right now, what we are planning for, mostly India time 8:30 or 9:30 p.m. It will be going for 3 hours every day, Monday to Thursday. And if you think so far this is something interesting, definitely you browse this URL that you can see in the screen, and I can also put this in the description so that you can navigate more and find out. We will also going for these different tools, Figma, Jira Advanced Roadmap, Miro, and all those that you will be getting your hands dirty. Though there is a in-depth training as an optional area, optional learning that you can opt for, but you will be able to learn that. Now the question is, this course is designed for whom? Who will be maybe best applicable for that? Anyone who have some aspirations to become a product manager or product, you wants to go into that product line, this course is ultimately designed for you. Even if you are working as an product manager, in that case also you may not be experiencing every part of that product management areas. So this course, if you complete it, you will be able to know each and every parts that a product management should understand, and not only just learning, you will be experiencing it by creating different product roadmaps, product design, or MVPs, how exactly will form. The entire course is designed, somewhere we will be having multiple choices, somewhere we will be having the real tool exercises, somewhere we will be creating the prototypes that we are talking about. Sometimes we'll be having quizzes throughout the entire course. So it will be very engaging course, and we will be starting it for this one is I think next month beginning. I'm not sure when you are watching this video. If you are watching after June 2024, you can look into our website to find out the next batch that we will be starting. As this batch goes for 3 months or more, we will be conducting 2 or 3 batches every year. We will not be able to make more. If you think that the time is not suitable for you, you can help us understand what is your time zone and what will be your preferred time within your time zones that you want to go for, so we can explore whether we can create some batches on that time zones. So far, whatever I have talked about, if you think that you are ready to take this, or if you want to know more, browse this website, download the brochure, and also give your phone number, email ID. We will have a one-on-one discussions to find out your exact need and how we can fulfill your need. If you are from an organizations and you wants to conduct this training for the whole company, maybe a group of 30 members or 40 members, we have that provision also where we can customize it based on your organization's need. So feel free to reach us for those areas. We will happy to connect on that. I believe this quick video is helpful for you to understand what exactly we'll be covering. If anything else, we will be in touch. We'll see you in our course. Till that time, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.